everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make carne asada. We are going to marinate the steak with one of my most kept secret marinade recipes that I have, and also going to make my homemade tortillas with harina pan flour and jalapeño salsa verde. So let's get started. Vámonos a cocinar. Here we go. First, marinating our carne asada. So for this recipe, I'm using 5 cloves of garlic, 1 white onion, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of red chili peppers, lime juice, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of olive oil. Some salt to season the steak, and I'm also using 1 tablespoon of chipotle adobo. This is what is going to give that smoky flavor to our carne asada. Now we're going to put all the ingredients inside of a Ziploc bag, and we're going to make sure that it's all combined. We're going to close the Ziploc bag and put it inside the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. I am going to start with the salsa verde. I am going to make it with jalapeños. I have so much jalapeños today in my garden that I decided to make jalapeño salsa verde. And I am going to make my tortillas with this flour. It's super easy to knead the dough. You don't have to let it sit or rise or anything. The marinade that I use for my carne asada is you should let it sit for at least an hour or 2, but if you let it marinate overnight, the flavors are going to intensify and you're going to have a much tender and delicious carne asada. So let's get started a cocinar. Que aquí se llama apron, so let's go. Now for my jalapeno sauce, I am using 1 cup of fresh mint. I'm removing some of the stem. I'm also using 3 jalapeños with or without the seeds. I'm leaving some of the seeds in it because I want it a little bit spicy. I'm also using 2 juice of a lime, 1 cup of fresh mint, some salt, and 1/2 cup of olive oil. We're going to prepare our tortillas. I'm using 2 cups of harina pan flour. I'm also adding some salt and a teaspoon of baking powder, some olive oil, and about 2 cups of water. We're going to knead this until it forms a dough. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, no more than that. and then we're going to start forming our tortilla. Once the dough has rested, we're going to start forming our tortillas. I love doing it by hand, but if you have a tortilla presser, that's perfectly fine. We're going to cook our tortillas on a medium-sized pan with some oil for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side on a medium-low heat. Now we're going to prepare the toppings for our carne asada. I am going to slice some peppers. Now we're going to slice some red onions, radishes, and chop some fresh cilantro. We're going to combine these and we are going to use it as a topping for our tacos. This is going to add some freshness and extra crunch. My whole entire house smells incredible. I was going to grill the carne asada outside, but my grill wasn't working, so I have to grill this steak inside the house, so my whole entire house smells unbelievable. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave any comments or any suggestions you might have. And until then, you know what? Buen provecho and enjoy. Now I get to try beautiful taco that I have in here. I made this one with my Venezuelan harina pan. It's super soft. Look how beautiful. This corn tortilla flavors. Looks so. Which one do you think you will be making? The one with the roasted peppers? The one with the caramelized onions? Or the one with just the raw onions and cilantros and radishes? So then, buen provecho and enjoy this beautiful carne asada. Extra sauce. Look at how creamy my Jalapeño salsa Verde is. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Okay, here we go. Delicioso. I am so lucky I get to eat this.